70 vendors on display here, as well as multiple machines.
We want to introduce our customers to our machines and to the vendors that are associated with those machines.
It's on a scale that's pretty impressive compared to the rest of the industry.
When somebody calls on the phone and says, I have a problem with my machine, Gosiger knows where that machine is located in the plant, and we just couldn't do that directly from Akuma.
Gosiger is good to us. We have 2 robots, which they have done the automation for, and it's beautiful.
You're going to see a lot of technology, a lot of new technology. You're going to get to see a lot of different builders.
It's not just to come look at what the latest machine tools are for sale, but solutions to those machine tools.
I want them to leave with a clear definition of what they would need for their project, not only from the machine side, but also from the turnkey side as well.
If you haven't attended, you're in for a real treat.
But I'm not going to walk by that just sitting in my shop, even cruising the internet, even watching YouTube videos, if it's all in one place.
See all the new machinery, meet lots of vendors.
You can talk to the work holding vendors, the tooling vendors, and really get a sense of what he needs for his project.
Gosiger is the one-stop shop.
Coming here in one very personalized visit, they can see different ways where they could apply that in their shop.
It's really the technology, especially when you see some of the automation and robotics that Gosiger's doing. It's really impressive.
We definitely invite you out. We think you will find something here, somewhere in one of our buildings that you'll be able to work with.
You don't build relationships with vendors like you build with Gosiger.
It's a great opportunity to get all boxes checked on your project.
Come to an event like this and you may see some things that you didn't even know, were available in the marketplace.
It's just building after building, machines, reps, lots of hands-on, they're actually cutting chips. So if you're looking for a machine, you're probably going to find something here that's doing what you're looking for.
Just the level of value that they bring their customers is probably second to none.
And not only do we have everything on the machine side, but it's great food, great beer as well.